Hey there, fellow travelers, thinking about exploring somewhere full of color, history, and flamenco rhythms? Let me show you how to have the perfect adventure in Seville, Spain. This city is an absolute gem, sitting right in the heart of Andalusia. If you're dreaming of winding cobblestone streets, incredible tapas, and that warm Spanish sun, you're in the right place. First things first, Seville's landmarks are the stuff of legends. You can't visit without seeing the Royal Alcazar. Picture this intricate tilework, lush gardens, and centuries of fascinating history. Game of Thrones fans, you'll recognize it as the Palace of Dorne. Next up, the Seville Cathedral. It's the largest Gothic cathedral in the world. Climb the Giralda Tower for the best views of the city. Trust me, the sweeping panorama is worth every single step. Now, let's talk about the Plaza de España. This place isn't just a plaza. It's a jaw-dropping half-circle of bridges, fountains, and tiled alcoves, each representing a different Spanish province. Rent a rowboat and paddle along the canal for that perfect Instagram shot. But Seville isn't just about its monuments. Dive into the Barrio Santa Cruz, the old Jewish quarter. Lose yourself in the maze of narrow alleys and hidden courtyards. You never know when you'll stumble upon a tiny tapas bar or a street musician strumming a Spanish guitar. Speaking of food, you have to try the local tapas. My favorites? Salmorejo, a rich tomato bread soup, and espinacas con garbanzos, spinach with chickpeas. Pair it with a glass of local sherry, and you'll feel like a true Sevillano. If you're there in spring, don't miss the Feria de Abril. The whole city bursts into life with music, dancing, and colorful costumes. Or visit during Semana Santa, when ancient processions wind through the streets, candles flickering, drums beating. They're unforgettable. Craving a bit of romance? Head to the banks of the Guadalquivir River at sunset. Watch the golden light spill across the water as rowers glide by and locals gather for evening strolls. Or catch a live flamenco show in Triana, the soulful neighborhood across the bridge. The music, the emotion, the passion. Seeing flamenco here is like nowhere else on earth. Before you go, don't forget to shop for some hand-painted ceramics, or maybe a flamenco fan as a souvenir. And yes, embrace the Spanish tradition of the siesta. Seville's afternoons can get seriously warm, so take a break like the locals do. So, are you ready to fall in love with Seville? Pack your sense of adventure, bring your appetite, and let the magic of Andalusia sweep you away. Safe travels, and I'll see you in Seville.